Hey everyone, how are you all? Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to register yourself on Freepik as contributor, artist and designer. So let's move on. Before starting this tutorial, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon. To create account, you have to visit this link. Check description for this link. Once you have visited the link, click on register button. Here on this page, carefully fill all details to sign up. First, enter username using alphanumeric characters without space. Enter email ID. Create a password. Contain 8 characters using alphanumeric and special characters. Now, select job position. For me, I am selecting graphic designer. Check this if you want to receive the newsletter. Now, solve CAPTCHA to proceed and hit sign up button. Here are terms and conditions. You can read it if you have time. It's on you. To move on, scroll it and accept terms and conditions. On next step, complete this blank form. If you are running a company, then check this box, otherwise leave it unchecked. Now, fill this form carefully. Select any payment method and enter payment account related email ID. If don't have, then create. Now hit the next button after completing all. Here on this page, provide physical information. I recommend visiting once this link to get all the information about the document that you need to upload. Best one is passport if you have. Let's upload ID or residency document and fill dates. Now click on select documents and save button and locate photo, then click on next. Here, this is the last step to register on Freepik. Fill your profile details, social accounts, we can add later. Scroll and hit save button. That's all, account is created. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to upload work on Freepik properly.